Hello, viewers. Today you will know about what is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, created by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009, is the world's first cryptocurrency, enabling peer-to-peer online payments without intermediaries. Its decentralized nature, secured by cryptographic algorithms and a blockchain, ensures transparency and security in transactions. Bitcoin's price has experienced significant volatility since its inception, reaching all-time highs and lows. New Bitcoins are created through a process called mining, where miners solve complex computational problems to validate transactions and receive rewards. Many view Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to gold, due to its limited supply and potential for long-term growth. Bitcoin's technology is upgraded through hard forks, which are significant protocol changes requiring all users to upgrade. The Lightning Network is an off-chain scaling solution that enables fast and low-cost Bitcoin transactions. Several large corporations, like MicroStrategy, have adopted Bitcoin as a reserve asset, driving institutional interest.